Hello students, how are you? Fine, good. Okay students, today we learn a recognition bird's name. Let me start. Sparrow, pigeon, parrot, eagle, hummingbird, owl, crow, kingfisher, duck, crane, goose, hen, kingfisher, ostrich, swan, vulture, and peacock. And now we learn spelling sparrow. What is the spellings of sparrow? Sparrow, sparrow. Pigeon, pigeon. Parrot, parrot. Eagle. Humming, humming. Bird. Owl. Crow. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Duck. Crane. Goose. Hen. Kingfisher. Ostrich. Swan. Vulture. Peacock. Now students, today your work learn and recognition bird's name. Thank you.